Namaste. How are all of you? And today what we are talking about is what are the special foods for winter. तो विंटर में हमको क्यों अपना खाना बदलना चाहिए? विंटर में हमको हमारा खाना इसलिए बदलना चाहिए क्योंकि हमारी पूरी की पूरी सेहत हम क्या खाते हैं उसके ऊपर निर्भर होती है और उसी के ऊपर निर्भर होती है हमारी इम्यूनिटी. So if you want to keep your immunity in a good place, if you want to cope up with with all the ill effects that WFH is bringing, क्योंकि WFH के साथ हम सब लोग कई ज़्यादा hours के लिए एक ही जगह पे बैठे हुए हैं, so there are joint problems and stuff like that. You all must already be knowing कि वैसे भी सर्दियों में joint की problems बढ़ती है. So and then of course there is the regular problems of the skin breaking out, the lips being too dry, the nails not looking good, and hair fall. So I'm going to be telling you the winter foods which have traditionally been consumed in this season so that you have a robust immunity response, so that you have a flawless skin, so that you have a chirpy, cheerful mood, good, well lubricated joints, and of course a flat stomach and no constipation. So what are the things that you need to be eating? So number one, this is the time to eat bajra. Bajra is also known as pearl millet in English. It is also called as bajri in Marathi. You will find various names for it, and bajra is versatile. You can make it in multiple things. So you could make it into a roti or a bhakri. You can make it into a laddu. You can even make it into a khichdi. There are still traditions which are turning it into a papad. And for all lovers of thalipeeth, thalipeeth is something where quite a few grains and pulses and seeds come together. It's a traditional Marathi snack. Bajra is the forefront, the forerunner in thalipeeth, or in bhajani it's a thalipeeth. All right. So what all can bajra offer you? Bajra offers you fiber, bajra offers you vitamin B, bajra also offers you, and this is something which is going to interest you, an ability to make your hair denser, your volume better, and take out all of the frizz from your hair, which is also why bajra is one of the traditional post lactation foods, क्योंकि प्रेगनेंसी के बाद हमारे बाल झड़ते हैं और इसीलिए हमको फिर बाजरा की ज़रूरत होती है. Bajra is traditionally the heaty grain, so do not eat it in summers, do not eat it in the monsoon. This is the time that you can start eating it all the way up to February, which also means that please do not eat things like multi-grain breads. So what does bajra look like? Bajra looks something like this, if you can see, and it is extremely good for everyone, even for people with diabetes, cholesterol, fatty liver, everyone with NCD, anyone with low iron levels, anyone who just wants to eat correctly. So bajra is one of the superfoods. The second superfood is now an almost forgotten superfood, which is gond. Gond or raisin, it's a little small seed, and traditionally it would get converted into a laddu. Now, why is gond important? Gond is important because it has the ability to lubricate joints, it has the ability to strengthen your bones, and it also works as a digestive aid. For all those of you who have bleeding for many days, your period starts और फिर 15-20 दिन तक अगर आपके periods चल ही रहे हैं, please start eating gond after the 5th day, and it will help you control your bleeding. For the rest of you जिनको गैस चढ़ता है, सर में गैस चढ़ गया, कंधे में गैस चढ़ गया, especially in winters, what you need to be eating is gond. Gond can be eaten in the form of a laddu. Gond sometimes is just lightly roasted in ghee, sprinkled with sugar and eaten. At other times they just make a gond pak, which is like a little gond solution. Talk to your grandmother, she'll know exactly how you should be using it. Remember, you need this in WFH. Okay. The third one, of course, this is the time of green vegetables. If monsoon meant not eating green vegetables, this means restarting your green vegetables. So of course the palak, the methi, the sarso, the many other kinds of saag that you will get, आधे को इतने नाम भी तो हमको पता नहीं होते, you know. Traditionally सरसों का साग would be made with 9 different green leafy vegetables. To just one green leafy vegetable. पुदीने के चटनी का भी ये टाइम है. But the most special green vegetable that I want to bring your attention to is the green lasun. Okay, now green lasun is something which you will find only right now. It is something which you can turn into a chutney along with your pudina chutney. You can use it in mundio. It is anti-inflammatory. It is immunity boosting, hashtag immunity boosting, the current rage. And for people who have burning sensation in their hands and feet, this is extremely useful. So if in winters or because of lockdown you're getting burning sensation in your hands and feet, what you need is green lasun along with all of the other green vegetables. Then of course is oh yeah, and I also got in this green vegetable, because हम लोग जब green vegetables के बारे में बात करते हैं तो हम लोग सिर्फ it's not the broccoli and the avocado and stuff. We have many other kind of green veggies, as you can see here. Some of them have like these little danas inside. This one is called papdi. And then there is kand. Kand are kand and root veggies. These are also the vegetables that one is supposed to be eating during the fasting season. So kand or root veggies jo hai, these are a storehouse of energy. They have fiber, which is prebiotic, so it will actually feed the good bacteria in your body. So if you want a flat stomach, you should be eating it. For good eye health, because one of the things that your ophthalmologist will tell you is colored foods खाओ. तो हम लोग सोचते हैं कि हम लोग कौन से कलर का क्या फूड खाएं, तो सारे जो ये रूट वेजिटेबल्स और कंद होते हैं, दे आर कलर्ड. सो on the top, of course, they look really brown. They grow under the soil, and they prevent malnourishment. तो जिन को भी B12 की भी deficiency है, eat these kind of things so that you actually strengthen your body's ability to assimilate B12 from the food that you are eating. Kand is celebrated in an undio again, and like I said, kand is also one of the fasting foods. Then of course, make sure that you're eating fresh fruits of the season. So what are the fresh fruits of the season? There is peru or amrud, there is sitafal, there is khurmani. For people in Himachal, there is also apple. So the sitafal and peru, make sure that you're eating them. A whole lot of people who have non-communicable diseases like diabetes kind of just stop eating सीताफल because they feel नहीं ये बहुत मीठा है. तो याद रखिए कि फल मीठा होना ये फल का virtue होता है. It's a great thing about a fruit that it is sweet. It's not a bad thing. And सीताफल is rich in fiber. सीताफल is rich in vitamin B. सीताफल is also a source of iron. So invariably when you take medicines for diabetes, you'll end up with constipation. सीताफल can help you with that. So सीताफल, peru, khurmani, apple. Make sure that there are fresh fruits in your diet. Then of course the winter food which is special is til. So til ki chikki banti hai, til ka gachak banta hai, til ke there are various other things that you will do. What does til look like? It looks like this. This is from our farm. It's black in color, and then of course you need to polish it तभी वो white, I think. So til में आपको मिलेंगे essential fatty acids. So if you're struggling with nail and skin, til is what you should be eating. If you're having hair fall and want adequate vitamin E, this is what you should be eating. Also for heart health, vitamin E is important. Til is a good source. Another thing which is good for you is of course peanuts. So that's the next superfood. Peanuts are also recognized as the world's healthiest foods. You can eat peanuts in any way. पूरे शेल को आप कुक कर सकते हो या सिंगदाना ऐसे ही आप खा सकते हो. दिस इज हाउ आई ईट माई पीनट्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ चटनी. This is a Solapur chutney, a speciality, and you eat it with a bhakri and you will not find anything that tastes as good as this. Then of course there is ghee. So ghee, you all know now why you should be eating ghee. Winters may you'll end up eating more ghee because of the kind of foods that you're getting. All of the winter foods require more ghee to cook, to digest and to enhance the flavor of the cuisine in which they are cooked. So you need ghee. याद रखिए, इन कोविड टाइम्स विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी इज मेकिंग पीपल प्रोन टू मोर कॉम्प्लिकेशंस ऑफ कोविड. घी इज अ essential fat. It allows for easier assimilation of fat soluble vitamins like vitamin D. That's just one reason why you need to be eating ghee. But this winter season is also the time to be eating makhan or white butter, which is butter which is made at home. Excellent for bones and joints. So all those of you who are spending long hours on the screen, especially little children who are online schooling for at least 4 or 5 hours every day, बाजरे की रोटी ऊपर एक बड़ा मक्खन का blob and you will be fine. A lot of people with heart health avoid ghee and makhan. There is nothing wrong with ghee and makhan. It will only help your cardiorespiratory system. It will not damage your heart. It has a heart protecting effect. So don't worry about homemade ghee and homemade makhan. Then of course last before we go, there are pulses like kurit. I've spoken about kurit many times. The English name for kurit is horse gram. Pulses are so important that the latest food guide, the Canada Food Guide, calls pulses as a source of both vegetable and protein because of its rich amino acid, vitamin B and fiber profile. A lot of you often ask me like in kurit dikta kaisa hai? So remember there are various ways or diversity in kurit, but this is kurit. So you can make an ustar out of kurit, you can make a dal out of kurit. I come from the region of Konkan. We even make atta out of kurit and then make a pitla out of kurit. So you can even work at getting an atta. For all of you who are planning to just holiday in Goa, don't just holiday in Goa. In winters, another pulse that you get in Goa is called as arsane, and arsane again extremely good for your health and especially your digestive health, for your immunity, for fat burning, for everything. तो अगर गोवा जा रहे हो अरसाने खाओ. अगर हिमाचल और उत्तराखंड जा रहे हो तो ये सीजन में नवरंगी दाल खाओ. So these are typically pulses that you won't be eating. You need to integrate them into your winter superfoods. Remember, superfoods are nothing but foods which are local, seasonal and traditional, and they become super when you cook them using time-tested recipes. So that's all from me today. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Here's to integrating at least these 10 foods in your diet so that you have a flat stomach, you have a flawless skin, you have nice beautiful hair and no constipation. So that's all from me. Thank you.